Roblox Error Code 279 appears when your device cannot connect to the game server. This is usually caused by slow internet, blocked connections, device issues, or game data failing to load. The good news is that this error is easy to fix with a few simple steps. First, you need to go ahead and check your internet connection. Switch between your Wi Fi and mobile data and avoid using VPN or proxy as Roblox blocks some of them. And also make sure that your internet is stable. And then restart Roblox if it is opened in your device. Close the Roblox from the recent apps and then reopen it and try joining the game again. You can also try updating the Roblox application. If you're using Android, go ahead, open your Play Store. And if you're using iPhone, go ahead and open your App Store, tap on the search bar in the top and search for Roblox. If you see an update button instead of play, go ahead and tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available, as outdated versions may cause server connection errors. You can also try clearing the Roblox cache. In Android, open your system settings, or you can directly tap and hold onto the Roblox application, tap on the eye icon in the top, and then scroll down, go to its storage, and then click on clear cache. This fixes corrupted temporary files that block connections. You can also try restarting your entire phone, as a simple reboot refreshes your system and network. And if nothing works, you can reinstall Roblox. Go ahead and uninstall the Roblox application from your device and reinstall it again from the official stores, as this replaces broken files that may cause error 279. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.